I'm Kayalin Labao, and together with my group mates. So for today, we will be having a role play about the application of mathematics and different patterns in nature. And with the title, Mathematics and Nature.
With the theme of recognize the use of mathematics in nature is to recognize its beauty.
At the end of this video, we are able to identify the different patterns of nature and we can illustrate the example of it. Moreover, we can accumulate the importance of mathematics and everything.
We have an oral recitation later. Mom will be so mad at me if we don't know to answer. Wait, what is the pattern in nature? This is so hard. Maybe my best friends can help me with this. Hi, Beshies!
Hey, hi.
We have an oral recitation later, and I'm too busy to study.
You mean the patterns in nature? The logic and numbers?
You're watching TikTok all day, aren't you?
No, she's watching anime whole day. She's not even sleeping.
Hey, Celine, let's study together for the oral later.
Okay. Let's study together so we can answer all the questions on oral.
Yeah, that's a nice idea.
First, what is patterns in nature?
Oh, me, I know that one. Patterns. Patterns that you can see in nature are visible. Regularities are found in natural world.
Wait, is there a difference between patterns in nature?
Yes, of course. There are different types of patterns, such as symmetry, fractals, dendritic, spiral, waves, and chaos, and etc.
Try to look around in your house, everywhere. You will find symmetry.
Symmetry? What is that?
Symmetry means that is shape that identical to the shape which it is moved, flipped, or rotated.
Hey, what about the umbrella?
Yes, that is an example of symmetry.
How about this? A pink kalachuchi is a five-fold symmetry, right?
Yeah, that's right.
As fractals are infinitely self-iterated mathematical construct having fractals dimensions.
Hey guys, I have an example of fractals here, which is pineapple.
I also have an elephant ear plant here, which is also an example of fractal.
Oh, okay, now I know. What is the next example, guys?
The spiral is a curve which emanates from a point moving further away as it revolves around the point.
Spinal cord? Wait, you mean this?
Catol is also an example of spiral.
Man, that's amazing!
Oh, me! I know this, the dendritic. It's a branching out of the nerve fiber at the end of the neuron.
And this tree is an example.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, so now you know.
Yes, I answered the oral recitation. Thank you for the help, guys.
Yes, guys. Thank you so much. I learned a lot.
We're best friends, right? We should learn and teach each other. Hey Silene, you've been on your phone whole day. What are you watching? Why are you watching Dora? You're 19, Silene.
Oh, give me that! watching.
Wait, this is not just Dura.
Let's watch together so that you will know what I am watching. Adios amigos, Sandora. Did you know that mathematics can be seen everywhere? Come on, join me finding examples of sequence of arithmetic, geometric, and Fibonacci. Let's go!
This is an example of arithmetic sequence. If I have paper flowers, and if I put 2 paper flowers in the jar, it will be 2 paper flowers. And if I put another 2 paper flowers, it will be 4 paper flowers. And if I put another 2 paper flowers again, it will be 6 paper flowers. And so on and so forth. That is one of the example of mathematics sequence.
A ball is bouncing is an example of geometric sequence like showed you earlier. Each time the ball bounces, its height gets cut down by half. If a ball first height is 4 feet, then the next time it bounces, its highest bounce will be 2 feet, then 1 feet, 6 inches, so on and so forth, until the ball stops bouncing.
So one of example of Fibonacci sequence is these finger bolts. And also these 3 tablets. These tablets is also follow the rules of Fibonacci sequence.
Another example is the shape of this egg. It follows the Fibonacci sequence since this spiral offers a path of at least resistance. It follows that it also the most protection.
We did it! We found out the objects and examples of arithmetic, geometric, and Fibonacci sequence. It was fun exploring the surroundings where mathematics can be seen. And thank you for joining me this day. Bye bye! We did it! Hooray!
And that's all for today's video. I hope you learned about the different types of patterns and the logic and numbers, and also the sequence of arithmetic, geometric, and Fibonacci. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye!